This message when I want pass now for all those people for Isoko South whether they call Igbide and Enwe with Emede, where they fight, they kill themselves, they burn their papa houses and all that just because of land. Me and say Yagbeshare want tell una say una not get head. Igbide now own head they would first me pass. But una they call on say so na be war on get power, and I want to they fight all the community where they around una. All una go fight with Enwe, all una go fight with Igbide, all una go fight with different people. What did they would the war on ourselves? All these Igbide people. One of they look on ourselves like say na strong pass self. For land where Baba God create for long. Where we say you go die live, and another children go see grow, cause they go see grow old, cause die live the land. Land will not reach 50 million naira. Now go they fight for. All these so-called South leaders, politicians, una people they fight, they kill themselves, so una not go talk. Because say they don't give on money now, and shut up on a mat. So now they get money from crisis, so now they get money from people where they kill themselves, now they get money from people where they do this. Igbi they say that be Igbi they own they would defense me pass as a day so. You so-called people will be say, I go they separate on ourselves from other tribe. Una get power where one and not come outside they protest against Buhari and the government. Una get power where one and never come outside they contest as governorship. Since when the bomb is I never see so come and contest governorship for Delta State. Small minority group, ethnic group, we not rich ona, we not popular, we not get crowd rich ona. They don't rule governorship for this state. Shekiri don't rule. See Okowa na the rule so from Delta Igbo. There many rich ona be Isoko. Soko people una from Isoko South not get ahead. Ozoro and Ole, they seek to fight their own. So una not get sense. Then Igbide and Enwe, that fight they grand there, they never have it settled around. Ona because of the same land. Ozoro and Ole ona because of the same land. Ogbija and Alagawo they settle recently now because of the same land. Then the Igbide say na Igbide say they call themselves, they be king of the land, they be grand lord of the Ewo. Now that they get power apart, they fight. When I got they buy guns, some more money where they give when I now do this. You did that they kill yourself, they kill your fellow brother. Why somebody sit up for air condition? They take your crisis and they kill you when they kill. Take the siphon money from the government purse. Igbe the people, mona get sense. Mona get sense. If you not get head there, mona go find one way trick as mona kill on herself. Una not really even get head self. Because if you not get head, una not go they go burn houses. They burn people house, they kill people up and down. So because say, all the community and the village are where they around now go they fight self. Igbe the people now not too much. No, make a come joke. If you watch this video, share and make it reach all these Isoko people hand where they for abroad reach everywhere. Make them go put their house in order, especially Isoko South. Now the capital, the local government of where they say Isoko South, their local government capital, now be Ole. Go Ole open. The whole of Isoko North and Isoko South, make them combine that together. If I reach other prison, the ethnic group of Delta State, Urobo, Isoko, Ijo, Ishekiri, and Delta Igbo, these 5 ethnic groups, Isoko make una look on herself when I go other people place, una go see say other people community find pass on our own. The only good one that they get from on side, na only road una get. Even with the road side, bush full everywhere, tree full everywhere, coconut full everywhere. They use on our money to build other places. They will not feel the revolt about that one, and not feel the fight about that one. Then they ask so on a slogan for a greeting. Isoko wage Ijo, meaning you the run. You know the wrong. Which Joe on Isoko people on ourselves when I still come outside. Since on sabi separate on ourselves from Robo people. So when on go come outside, contest governorship for this time, for this country. When I just sit down, just open man, they do like mumu, ekpa, one again, one man speak Isoko give on a man, and those are they speak Isoko to the yeram. Ekpa, one again, na boo boo, or some man Igbide. Land when only 50,000 where you are, we be the what if you can't hot the altar, also work by them man. The poor people ask. Be the people. Even the people now they would face me. Even you governor call yourself. If you want to want to settle this matter, how did allow these people to the drag self? His Excellency, I take God beg you, go seize the land, make it be government land. When this community they suffer, make those Isoko South people suffer. The land between Igbide and Emede where they drag, seize and take. The land between Igbide and Enwe where they drag, seize and take. Build government hospital for that after they don't even get hospital. They not get it. See, just seize and take. Use that give army. Use that give do barrack. Dash army. Nigerian police barrack dey there. Army self dey there. Dash them the land. Even the one wey be say, only and Ozoro they drag. Wey be, they take it themselves. Since that take, now you be number one citizen. You get the power. Now after God, now government. Now so it be. What is self? All this matter is, you tell me if they want the video, just share that. Tag the Isoko man wey be say, all the of Uzurema call all the Isoko top politicians, they will be say they get level in one way or the other through whether they be force man or whatever. Just tag all of them. Share the video, make it reach them. You be the under the too much. Now all of the Isoko people self. Every time Igbide. Eh? No Igbide way. Ti. Ba orare wan no man wan. No poo, no fafari yaga tutu. Say na Igbide people. Mona they fight on herself now. Eme they say on until the Mona not get sense so they will kill on a finish. Igbide we don't sharp winch. They will kill on a finish. Enwe say na enwe. Mona still get sense so. Eh? Mona not like on herself so. Eh? I wish God turn that video just try. Just wipe the whole of Isoko sad people from that Enwe, Igbide, and Emede. Wipe their commot. Anyone will just drag land. Make God just wipe our commot. I better arrest my case. Governor Kowa, you better do the needful. If you dey get money from this thing, not make us they observe you. We go look you well before your 8 tenure go finish. Not settle this matter. We would they look you well. Eh? Would they look you well? Now my right to complain and my right to talk what did happen. Now me be MC, I wish I the voice of the people. Enough is enough. One nonsense is that. I beg, we move.